This video explains how to install an optional 550-sheet tray onto a Xerox B410 printer. The Xerox B410 printer can support up to 3 optional paper trays along with the standard 550-sheet tray. Tray 1 is the standard 550-sheet tray that comes with the printer. Trays 2, 3, and 4 are optional 550-sheet trays. Press and hold the power button to power off the printer. To prevent personal injury, unplug both ends of your power cord. Unbox and remove the packaging material of the 550-sheet tray. Take out the numbers for the additional trays, then insert the tray back. Set the correct tray number. Lift the printer with one person. If required, lift with 2 people, and place it on the top of the 550-sheet tray until it clicks into place. Slide the knob to lock the printer with the 550-sheet tray. Plug in both ends of your power cord and power on the printer.